You don't want your European pears ripening on the tree, so here's what you might be doing wrong when it comes to picking them. If you're waiting for your traditional European pears to feel ripe while on the tree, you're waiting too long and they will be overripe by the time that you harvest them. Now, when left on the tree, pears ripen from the inside out, so by the time they feel ripe on the tree, it's usually too late and you'll get a mushy, mealy texture with the pear. So you want to harvest pears before they are ripe on the tree. Now, when they are ready to pick will depend on location, variety, and weather. Now, here in Missouri, our harvest window is typically August through October. Now, the best way to tell if a pear is ready to harvest is to grab it by your hand and lift the pear up horizontally. If the fruit easily comes off of the tree, it's ready to harvest. If it still holds on to the limb, you want to wait just a little bit longer. Now, once harvested, most pears will ripen in about a week if left out on the counter. If you want to speed this process up, you can put them in a brown paper bag. Do you want to start growing your own delicious pears like these? Then head over to starkbros.com.